There's no such thing as normal. And some people do prefer something different. Everyone's entitled to get off. Welcome to my world. I'm Contessa Doll. I'm a professional dominatrix. I work in an establishment. I work at Stilettos in Camperdown. Come and see me. First realise every second person is probably into it. You're not the only person, you're not a freak. Consent, boundaries, communication, and I'd have to say, don't go in too hard, too fast. BDSM isn't something that one day you buy a honey birdette outfit and a whip and suddenly, hey, I'm a dom, because I read 50 Shades. You train and you practice. For 1 year, I worked as a slave, so I knew what it was like to be on the receiving end. There's a website called fetlife.com. It's like the Facebook for the BDSM industry. Find people that are into the same fetishes as you. See that it's totally normal. Some of them have get-togethers. It's like a community, and every single country has got one. First time anal play, laying on the back, relaxed, gloves. I like to put on 3, and I like them to be black. Don't overreact if anything comes out, because there's not gold inside of there. We all know there's shit in there. Make your partner feel comfortable. It's nothing, honey, don't worry about it. And always laying on a towel, finger first, stimulate the outside. I like to put a vibrator against my finger when I'm stimulating the outside, or I just put a vibrator on the area to like loosen the muscles, and then you can just slowly just slip the finger in. It's just one finger at a time, let them get used to it, the feeling. You can kiss them, you can stimulate their body any other way, you can give them a blowjob or play with their clitoris. 2 fingers is the next step. Repeat the same thing. When you can get 3 fingers in, then you're ready for penetration. And you do that missionary, and you do it facing the person. Lots and lots of lube. Kiss your partner the whole time, stimulate them, kiss their neck. Just don't bend them over and ram it in like they do in pornos. It's a slow process, but it is worth it.